Interview thank you letters. It is a unique kind of a letter addressed to the person who conducted your interview. It is a thanksgiving letter to the employer. What are the benefits of writing an interview thank you letter? First of all, it creates a good impression on the interview candidate. It is a motivation to select the interviewed candidate for the position that he has applied. It is also an important etiquette to be followed by the interviewed candidate. In a way, you express your interest towards the company that you have applied for. You may be selected or not, but it is a fine gesture of an interviewed candidate in the eyes of an employer. Let's see how to write it. A hard copy of the interview thank you letter should be written in a business letter format, while the email should be sent in the same format without the heading, your return address, their address, and the date. How is the letter formatted?
The first paragraph should consist of thanking the interviewer for interviewing you, that is, to remind him or her about the position you were interviewed for and the date of your interview. The second paragraph should state your interest in the company and include any additional information about yourself that was not brought up in the interview, which would make you a good candidate for the position. The last paragraph should let the recruiter know that you expect to hear from them soon. Also, let them know that you are available to come in again and are willing to discuss the job further. Now, let us analyze the letter. Here, Ms. Nandita writes an interview thank you letter to Mr. Roy, the Director of Human Resources at Blue Mount Resorts at Calcutta, thanking him for the interview conducted for the post of the hotel manager. Nandita reminds the employer about her previous experience in the hotel industry and her important goal is customer satisfaction. The tone of her letter appears very confident and she feels that she will be a better choice for the position applied. Nandita assures Mr. Roy that she would render her duties with the best of her ability if given the opportunity to work at Blue Mount Resorts, Calcutta. Salutation. In the first paragraph, she thanks the interviewer and reminds him for the position she was interviewed and also the date of the interview. In the second paragraph, Nandita quotes her interest in the job and she speaks about her experience in the hotel industry. In the final paragraph, she expresses her eagerness in knowing the interview result and assures her best services for the company if selected. She also gives her contact number so that she can be contacted for queries. Go through the sample interview thank you letter.